Work-at-home individuals have several lifestyle advantages of those that have to go into an office. The freedom and flexibility of being at home can give workers the ability to more effectively manage their family and save on commuting costs, eating out for lunch, and other such expenses. While working from home offers several advantages, there are some additional responsibilities that a typical office worker may not have. One of those responsibilities is keeping track of expenses. Whether you're a direct employee that submits expenses for employer reimbursement or a subcontractor with tax-deductible home business expenses, an accurate tracking system is a must. Here are some helpful tips to better keep track of your expenses. Start with a record book. The first step to really getting organized with some home expenses is using a master record book to make expense entries. These books are available at any office supply store and even Walmart or Target. When a reimbursable or deductible expense comes in, the first thing to do is write in the log, book the date, description of the expense, and the amount. Next, set up a filing system for your receipts. Your receipts need to be organized in a manner that makes them easily retrievable in case you need to review them. In addition, you should always have a hard copy of the receipt in your filing cabinet. You can organize receipts by month, category, or both. In addition, you may also want to scan the receipts into the computer and back them up with cloud storage in case your files are lost, damaged, or destroyed. Next, enter your records into a spreadsheet. After you have safely filed away your receipts, you will want to record the data from your logbook into a computerized spreadsheet. If you're good with Excel, you can probably set something like this up on your own. If not, you may need some kind of expense tracking software. Computer entries do not need to be made every day, but it is a good practice to do it at least once every couple of weeks. Track your mileage. Similar to recording expenses in a logbook, it is important to have an accurate record of the business miles you drove. For this purpose, it is advisable to use a separate mileage book that is small enough to keep in the glove compartment of your vehicle. Make it a habit to write down beginning and ending mileage for each trip and what the trip was for, even if it's not business related. Once a week, record business related trips only from your mileage book into your master logbook. You can then record your mileage along with other expenses bi-weekly into your computer program. Remember to track your travel expenses. Work-related expenses are not only accrued within your local area, they also happen when you're on the road. If you're an independent contractor, you're allowed to deduct airline tickets, hotel rooms, and a percentage of your meals and entertainment. Direct employees will often be reimbursed for these expenses as well. While on the road, keep all your receipts in one place, ideally separated from your other work-related materials. When you return home, enter all your travel receipts in your master logbook and file them along with the rest of your expense receipts. Consult an expert. These are helpful tips for setting up basic expense tracking system for an at-home worker. However, there are wide varieties of circumstances which a person may be working at home. For this reason, it is always a good idea to consult a professional to set up a modified version of the basic expense tracking system that will make sense in your particular situation.